Hey everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody, and I'm here with a haul for you today. So this is just a really random haul that I got from Studio Calico. Now I'm not subscribed to Studio Calico and it's been quite some time, probably at least a year and a half or 2 years, probably closer to 2 years since I've purchased from them. But I do still get their emails, and every time that they have, or I used to do this, I kind of need to get back into this. Anytime that they have a free shipping coupon, I go and look at all their sale items and see if there's anything I want to grab. And the reason I do that is because they typically will put some things on clearance, like way clearanced. So I went specifically to look at their cards. They had a variety of cards that they were offering in different like stationery kits and stuff at one point. And so they still have a lot of those cards in their shop in the clearance section a lot of times. So I went to go look at those because I like to buy some of these pre-made cards and like make them fancier. So I kind of keep an eye out for those. And then they also have other party supplies like balloons and decorations and things like that that I kind of keep an eye on as well. This time they had a lot of cookie cutters, which really was a good idea, but I didn't have any specific reason to buy any, so I didn't. But when you can find things for fairly cheap in their clearance section with free shipping, and then it's worth purchasing. It's not, for me anyways, it's not worth purchasing a lot of cards when I have to pay $8 or $9 in shipping. It's just not worth it. So I always keep an eye out when they have their free shipping codes. Well, they had one a couple weeks ago, and I went in to look at everything, and I added a couple different things to my cart. By the time I went to check out, some of the things were already sold out, so it is what it is. I just ended up getting this one card, and then I looked, and they had some mystery kits that were on sale. So I went ahead and grabbed one of each of the kits. It was a mystery kit and then a mystery stationery grab bag. And I think this is the stationery grab bag and I think this is the kit. So we're going to look at those in just a second. But this card was only 75 cents. The mystery kit was $5 and the stationery grab bag was $6. So with free shipping, they added tax of course. So it was only $12.60 for all of this, which I felt like it was worth getting. And these kits, because they are not really kits that I have purchased to work with. It was more so just to kind of see what I get. I am going to go ahead and break them apart and put them in my stash and not keep them as kits. So we're going to kind of do that together. So the card I purchased is just this. It was a Happy Mail card. It's when they had their Beautiful Mess kits. Got a black envelope here and it just says, "Wowza, look at you." And I'll probably make this into a birthday card, embellish it some more, and add a sentiment in the middle. I just like to have kind of a good variation of cards on hand, and I like to embellish my own cards and make my own cards. So this is our mystery kit here. Let's take a look at what's in here. I kind of glanced at these when they first came in, but I haven't really looked at them other than that. So right off the bat, I can tell this is a Jasmine Jones kit. A lot of the things are have her name on them, so I know that it was designed by her. So this is a January 2018 kit. Looks like it was the Summit kit. Tells about the color theory pairings that come with it. It kind of gives you an idea of everything here. So let's look. This is not a Project Life kit. I don't feel like it's a Traveler's Notebook kit either because of the way the papers, they're 6x8. It has been such a long time that I've actually purchased a Studio Calico kit. I really don't know what their kits include anymore. I probably will be purchasing one soon to go with my 2020 kit review series, but I just haven't looked at them yet. Alright, so I have three 6x8, yes, 6x8 papers. That's kind of a check pattern, and then the plus signs. A kind of ledger pattern that says today, and then some yellow dots, and then a really pretty kind of retro looking floral with just a ledger pattern on the back. We also have this little tabbed piece, bookmark. You could use it as a bookmark or even punch holes in it and put it in your planner to kind of designate where you are. It says start now. This is a little key ring. It's a tiny little key ring. I don't typically buy these things, but when they come in kits or things like that, I like to use them because I think they're cute. It's a cute little key ring. I might hang this off of my little clutch wallet that I use. It's just kind of cute. We've got a Vellum bag here with some stickers. It's just one sheet of stickers. They're just like paper stickers. Kind of look like washi tape stickers would be, but they're paper. Oh, there are 2 sheets. That's why it feels so thick. There are 2 sheets. Black and white dot, a yellow and white plus sign pattern, the world awaits, a black and white floral, which you could color in if you want, and then a yellow and white stripe. Some puffy stickers here from Hello Forever. It just says like breathe, new beginnings, take action, new focus, results, new mindset. This is my today. An alpha. I love the size of this alpha. The fact that it's orange bothers me because it's not my favorite color. I wish it was like gray or something like that. Something I could use a little bit easier. But I really do love the size of this. This is a good one to keep out on my desk. Some little stars and a couple different colors, which is fun. I use stars and hearts a lot, especially on like Project Life. And then we have some vellum stickers. There are 2 sheets of them. Not vellum, clear stickers rather. That one is folded, but I think you could probably still make it work. Put it here so you can see. Focus, start, arrow, ampersand, nature exploration, adventures since 1876, the great outdoors. And then it says Cold Creek Mountain 1851 expedition. I really like those. Those will be kind of cute to include on like camping photos. So I'm going to put this back in here because I feel like those will get lost if they're not in a package. So I'm going to put those back. All right, so that was the mystery kit itself. And let's look at the stationery mystery bag, I guess is what it was called. Let's take a look at that. Lots of plastic packaging here. And right off the bat, this is like my favorite. I have to figure out what to do with it, but it's super cute. It's a little coffee cup. It's got kind of that pinky orange color with the heart in the middle, and I think that is super cute. I need to find a way to put that somewhere because I think that's incredibly cute. It just says who picked this kit together. We've got some sticky notes. Maya Designs, May. What? This says May Designs, and this says Micah's pick. So that threw me off. Okay, so let's see. We've got our sticky notes. These are a black sticky note. There's nothing on them, and they're just black. You do get a white gel pen, which this whole kit is basically black, white, and some reds. It just says touch mark. Let's just see if this works. White gel pens are hit or miss sometimes. Oh, but it works. It's just like kind of like my jelly roll pen. You kind of have to get it working sometimes. I've got some stickers again in a white glassine vellum kind of bag. 2 sheets of stickers. It says Caffeinate and Conquer, Sweater Weather, a couple different stickers with hearts as well as that little coffee cup, some circles, speech bubbles, and kind of like a oblong label there. We've got 2 notebooks here. They are 4.33 by 8.25. Stripes, lined. And oh, that's interesting. This is a planner style one. So we've got dots on one side and then the week on the other. That's kind of fun. And then we've got a sweater weather print. So that is everything that has come in this kind of small haul of mystery kits. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think it's kind of nice just to see what different companies are offering at different points in time. So my biggest recommendation, if you are a scrapbooker or paper crafter or like to use stationery supplies, sign up for everybody's newsletter. I know it's annoying to get a bunch of emails, but that's where you really see coupon codes. That's where you see new collections coming out. That's where you kind of get sneak peeks of things that are going to be coming out, like kits. It is annoying to get a million emails every month. I get that. And yes, you can follow people on Instagram and do things like that. But my #1 place where I get information about where to purchase things is always from the newsletter. And that's also where they usually have all of their coupon codes. And it gives you information about release dates and times. So if you have something that's a little bit of a limited collection or a limited supply, if you are subscribed to the email, usually you can get information of exactly when it's going to drop. So just a little bit of tidbit of information for you. I hope you enjoyed this small haul, and I will be back soon with something more. Bye!